Hi everyone, my name is Lanny Gauntlet, and this first video is going to be an overview of the Wevideo platform. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is, if you've ever logged into Wevideo, you can, or if you never have, there's two ways that you can actually do that. You can actually come here and go to log in, and then go to log in through Google right here, or you can actually just go here, sign up with Google. Even if you're already signed up, you can go ahead and sign up with Google, and it's going to go ahead and log you right in once you choose your Beaumont G Suite name. All right, so when you first log in, you're going to be on your main dashboard, and you're going to see we're actually in the dashboard tab. And a quick overview, this is kind of your usage right here. Don't worry too much about your usage because every month it goes back to zero. So if you are starting to fill up your storage, it will go back to zero. Even though you still have your videos, it will go back to zero. It's just kind of a monthly storage outline right here. You also have, you can create a new edit right from the dashboard if you would like. You can also create edits through templates, and I really recommend taking a look at the templates once you get used to the Wevideo platform. The templates show a little bit more of a sophisticated, more advanced layering technique in the videos. So when you're ready for that next level, it's really nice to kind of look at these templates and see what else is possible and how you can create those videos. You're also going to see your most 3 recent edits right here that you can go ahead and just hover over and either edit, rename, or delete. All right. The next thing I want you to take a look at is the Projects tab. I want you to think of the Projects tab as your drive or your project folders. So when you create a project, it's actually a project folder. And if you see right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on my project folder. I have many different edits or videos within my project folder. So think of projects again. When you create a project, it's a project folder. You're also going to see that I actually have a folder icon right here as well. So within that, you'll see I have project folders within that folder. So that's just one other layer that you can go ahead and organize. So you can actually take project folders and put them within a folder, and then they'll have edits within those project folders. I know it can get a little confusing, but again, think of projects. When you create a project, you're creating a project folder, and you're holding edits within those folders, and you're creating edits within those folders. So to create a new project, and I recommend you do that first thing, you go over here to this plus, go ahead and create a new project. You're going to title it, add description, and either choose a personal project if you want to do a collaborative project, or if you want to do a shared project. For right now, you're just going to go ahead and do that personal project. You can title it, and then go ahead and go to next. Here you have uploaded, this is some media that I've uploaded. If I want to include this in my project specifically, I can go ahead and just choose on different media that I want to include. I could go ahead and do that to use in my video. If I don't want to include anything, I don't have to. I can go to next. And then it says I'm done. So from right here, I can either finish and then kind of go back to the dashboard or kind of go around that way, or I can create a video or an edit right here in this project folder right away. So for right now, I'm going to click out of that or say finish. And then you're going to see this is my project folder, and I can start an edit video right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to project. There's my ELA project folder, and I have not created any edits in it yet. But you can either come here, start your edit right there, or if I go back to my dashboard, I create a new blank edit, it's going to prompt me and ask me, which project folder do you want to put it in? So do I want to put it in my ELA or my math or my Great Horn Spoon Chapter 1 project folder? So I get to choose where that edit's going to go. So let's say I want to choose it in ELA, and then I'm going to start editing. And then it's going to go ahead and bring you to the editing screen. All right, so that's the overview for Wevideo. I hope you tune into my other videos. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing all of your wonderful creations.